Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am super excited to be here today. Today we are going to be talking about summer makeup trends for 2021. And a lot of you might still be stuck inside or behind your mask, but it is coming. Reopening is slowly progressing. And as we do that, we want to make sure that our makeup is on point. So here I am today, and our first makeup trend of the summer is a no makeup look. So I do have my foundation on, I do have my eyebrows done, but we are going to go with something super subtle. If you like subtle, you will like this look. So we are going to start with these three eye colors right here. We've got Sandcastle, Hazelnut, and Espresso. Now, it's not really about the colors themselves, but about your skin tones. When you're looking for something that's super natural or that no makeup look, you want to look for something that matches your skin tone. And you can see that this Sandcastle color is very, very close to my skin tone. So I'm going to use a all over eyeshadow brush. Just sweep above the crease for this. And you can see the lower part of my lid is actually a little bit darker. So we're gonna go with Hazelnut. So what you would want to do is select some matte colors that match your skin tone if you're looking for this. And you can see that just evens things out, but at the same time, does not add, like, it's super subtle, right? And then let's take our smudger brush. And I've got Espresso here. This is a really great color if you have brunette hair, because you can actually use this to fill in your eyebrows. It makes it look super natural. So what we're gonna do today is just, I wanna do a little smudge along the lash line. And you can see that that is actually quite thick. That's okay. We'll go to our blending brush and just blend that in. And it just adds a little bit of depth without being loud or drawing away from anything. I'm using our Ultimate Mascara. We're gonna leave off on the eyeliner today because that smudge is really all we're gonna do. I feel totally naked without mascara. So my no makeup look includes mascara, but we'll just do a light coat. I would suggest the Ultimate or Lash Love. So you don't want something too dramatic. And I feel like my face is completely devoid of color if I don't add something to it. So I am going to use some contour color latte here and some highlight color, which is glazed. So I'm just gonna get that on the side of our brush. I'm gonna just bring that into the hollows of my cheeks. Just under the cheekbone you want to brush it on. Nice and light. Then with the round part, grab some of that highlight color just along your cheekbones. I would pop on some lip balm or some neutral lip gloss, and there you have it. There's your no makeup look. Very, very, very basic. So that is trend number one. Trend number two is kind of a glow to your look. So my recommendation is, if you are not using a foundation or you're looking for a foundation that has that glow, I would recommend our CC cream because it does give you that bit of youthful glow. Very great, super great for drier skin or more mature skin. It will add. Today I'm going to use another trick. I am going to use our Naturally moisturizing oil. And I already have foundation on. I use our matte foundation because I have a bit oilier skin, so I like that. So I'm just gonna take a drop of our oil, rub it in our palms like this. Seriously, press it on your face and it gives you that summer glow. So no makeup glow. The third trend for this season, I'm just going to add right onto this, is Rosy Cheeks. So you will see this out and about, which is actually quite refreshing. So I am using Rogue Rose here, and a nice rosy cheek is also on trend this year. It's a great way to add some youth back into your face. And it doesn't have to be loud, but a nice rosy cheek is right on point. And lastly, this has been a trend for a few summers, and I gotta say, it is loud, but it totally works. So a loud orangey red lipstick is also very on trend. So I'm just gonna find my lip brush here, and we are going to use Poppy Please. This is an amazing color. It's a little loud for me in person, but it is wonderful for video or for selfie. Your Instagram posts, it is amazing. What a great color. And there you have it for our summer trends for 2021. No makeup look, glow, rosy cheeks, and a bright orange red lipstick. Thank you for joining me. Have a great 2021 summer. Hope you enjoy it.